Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at Mycolean Drops, a mushroom-based drink that's been gaining attention lately. If you're wondering whether it's a legit health booster or just another overhyped product, stick around as we break it down. According to the official site mycolean.com, Mycolean Drops is a mushroom-infused beverage designed to support your energy, focus, and overall wellness. It contains extracts from various functional mushrooms known for their adaptogenic and cognitive benefits. The product claims to offer a natural energy boost without the jitters often associated with coffee, making it a potential alternative for those sensitive to caffeine. From Reddit and other online discussions, options or opinions on mushroom drinks like mycoline are mixed. One user mentioned they enjoy mushroom coffee as a solid morning drink. It doesn't pack the same caffeine punch as traditional coffee, but it's a gentle way to start the day. They also pointed out that while some fans hype these drinks are more natural, both coffee beans and mushrooms are grown, so the natural angle might be overstated. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal opinion and research. For the final verdict, is Mycolean Drops legit? It appears to be a genuine product with some potential benefits, especially if you're looking for a caffeine alternative or want to explore functional mushrooms. However, don't expect it to replace your regular coffee buzz entirely. If you are curious about mushrooms and want a mild energy boost without jitters, it might be worth a try. But keep expectations realistic and avoid falling for any overblown marketing claims.